You have just delivered great instruction, and now it's time to assess the students to see what they've learned. In these next few learning modules, you will be learning about the type of assessments found in ThinkUp Science. In order to fully align to the TEKS, we must make sure our questions are at a high level of rigor. However, we know not all students are quite at this level, which is why we have worked in scaffolding and extra instruction to help support those students and get them to these higher levels. To support teachers in data analysis, the content is structured so that the first page only contains questions coded to the focus standard 5.6D. On the second page, the questions are dual coded to the process skills and 5.6D. After each question, this process skill is indicated in bold. A teacher can use this information to determine whether students are struggling with the concept or whether students are experiencing difficulty when the concept is dual-coded with the process skill. Equipped with this knowledge, a teacher is able to adapt their lessons to either reteach the concept, in this case, force and motion, or to incorporate additional hands-on labs to reinforce the process skills. The assessment section provides the concept check for students to apply what they have learned in selected response items that are formatted to STAR. The concept check in the Teacher Edition gives you the opportunity to instill good test-taking habits in your students. Once students have completed the assessment, invite students to share strategies used when answering the questions. Read each question together and discuss the correct and incorrect responses to reveal misconceptions. Answers can be found at the back of the Teacher Edition. Once you have debriefed the entire test, have students record their original results on the Chart Your Success page in the Student Edition. The table of contents will let you know where this section is found. Having students chart their individual results will help them take responsibility for their own personal learning. ThinkUp Science content is organized by reporting category. After completing the units for a reporting category, you will find an assessment. For example, we have been working in Unit 8, which is found in Category 2. The reporting category assessment is a comprehensive assessment following the units that correlate with each reporting category. The Teacher Edition identifies what content TEKS will be tested. Additionally, at least 40% of the questions on the assessments evaluate both process TEKS and the content TEKS. It is important for teachers to document any learning goals for the assessment, as well as any accommodations that a student might need. There is a place in the Teacher Edition where all of this information can be recorded. Before students are required to complete this component independently, it is good practice for teachers to review question formats that the students will encounter. Allow students time to complete the questions. Then, conference with students to discuss assessment results. Provide additional instruction or intervention as needed.